Si Lola Teresa naghulog ng 9.6 million with interest. Si Lola Nena, mas konti lang binayad niya. 20,000 a month, 7.2 million. But after 30 years, here's the big difference. Si Lola Teresa, hindi na niya kailangan magbayad ng rent. At the time na medyo senior na siya, hindi na niya kailangan magproblema. The kids and the family, they had a place they called home. But Lola Nena, even at old age, still has to pay rent. But here's the deal maker. After 30 years, lahat ng binayad ni Lola Nena sa rent, magkano naiwan sa kanya? Zero. But si Lola Teresa, na nagbayad ng installment, nagbayad ng interest, after 30 years, pag binenta na yung property, easily, she can get the money back. Yung 9.6 million na binayad niya after 30 years, the property would have gone up in value at kaya-kaya niya ibenta at marirecover niya lahat ng binayad niya, principal and interest. So with this, buy or rent,